All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna go do a lap. Pit bike track, under the lights. I guess I'll start at the start. I got some stuff in the way, but it's fine. So there's the start. We're gonna go down the start way. Into the chicane. Little berm action. Yup. Seat bounce it. Little table. Grab third. Maybe we'll go inside. Let's go inside. Oh shit. Oh, ah. Got a little jalopy. Ski jump. Y'all should come check it out. Woo! It's not too bad for a backyard homemade track under the lights. Albany, Oregon. Dumbass racing. It's just too much damn fun. Oh, I need to fucking clip them blackberries. Anybody want to come out anytime, let me know. Hit me up. Daddy down. We do this shit. Hit me up on YouTube. And we'll get you out here riding mini bikes. Fucking launching it. Sorry for the cussing, but that's how I do. To the outside. Hell yeah. Let's see which one's faster. Gotta fucking love it. Oh, almost went down. It's crazy. Nobody wants to do this shit with me. Why? Because they all got real shit to do. Other than my retired ass, who loves nothing more than riding a dirt bike. Oh, it's sketchy ass flying machine. almost went over the bars because I wasn't paying attention. Dummy. Need to pay attention, fuckface. Whoa! That's a good thing I'm not racing because I suck. Ah. Back to the inside. Tell everybody how rad it is.
It's fucking rad.
It's fucking rad.